Presenting EasyCon. Would you like an easier way to create SkySpark connectors within your team? Well, now you can with Phantom Factory's EasyCon. Our EasyCon SkySpark extension provides a framework to create your own SkySpark HTTP connections using only Axon functions, as we have designed EasyCon to take care of any required Phantom code for you. To demonstrate exactly how easy we've made it to use, let's take a quick look at how it works. To start, we download and install the EasyCon extension from the StackHub website. And look, it's free to get started. Before we create our new connector, we need to write Axon functions in the SkySpark code application. To add the connector functionality to support server pings, connector learn tree functionality, synchronizing current values, synchronizing history data, and writing point values. Our Axon functions need to refer to the method of HTTP authentication that we are using. We can find function examples to use on the EasyCon documentation page. EasyCon connects to HTTP data sources, and it's important to ensure our SkySpark instance can authenticate with these. This typically requires the use of an appropriate SkySpark extension or library. For this purpose, we also offer the amazing HTTP client extension, the only available SkySpark extension which can securely manage HTTP request authentication credentials. For more help on authentication in EasyCon, we can always refer to the advanced example page in the documentation. Now that we've written our functions and we can handle our HTTP authentication, we are ready to create our new connector record in SkySpark in the connector application. In this example, we shall set up a connector to retrieve carbon intensity data from the UK's National Grid internet source. Selecting the EasyCon connector template, we simply add our function names to their appropriate tags in the records, like so. And, well, that's it. We may now use and tune our newly created connector in SkySpark, just like we would any other. EasyCon is available on StackHub now. And don't forget, EasyCon is free to download and evaluate for up to 100 Axon calls. And if you need extra help with HTTP authentication, we also offer the AF HTTP client extension too, which is also available on StackHub. Thanks for watching.